Hi, this is Chris Marks, Three Little Pigs and the Goodwin Smoker, here to introduce our new class at Fireplace, Stone, and Patio. Our next class is going to be the Brisket and Butts class. If you want to really learn how it's done the right way, back how they used to do it in the 60s and 70s, that's what we're going to teach on a brisket. We're going to teach you how to pick a choice brisket, how to get that brisket, take it up to the next level, apply a rub to it, smoke it, finish it, and best of all, taste it. On the pork butt, probably the easiest thing to learn how to smoke, we're going to teach you all the simple parts of a pork butt and how to cook it. I'm a true barbecue purist, and that's what I like to teach. If you want to really learn how to do it right and how simple it is, check us out at Fireplace, Stone, and Patio.